Welcome back to Strike Victor, where every roar of a jet tells a story of power, ambition, and legacy. Today, we journey into a sky seldom explored, the skies of Iran, to uncover a warbird that defies expectations and dares the world to notice. Narration begins. In a world dominated by Western and Eastern military superpowers, Iran emerges with a shadowy but symbolic creation. The Qaher 313 Phantom Falcon, a stealth aircraft meant not just to fly, but to send a message, not of war, but of presence. Unveiled with pride in 2013 and re-emerging in whispers throughout the years, this aircraft isn't just metal and engine. It's a political statement, forged in isolation, aimed skyward with defiance. With a design reminiscent of American stealth legends like the F-22 and F-117, the Qaher 313 was meant to rival giants. Angular, sharp, almost alien in silhouette, this jet became the face of Iranian innovation or controversy, depending on who you ask. Critics laughed. Engineers doubted. But Iran stood firm. Why? Because this jet wasn't just built for combat. It was built for symbolism, a challenge to global sanctions, a sign of sovereignty, a phoenix rising from embargoes. Despite its mystery, the Qaher symbolizes the rise of indigenous defense. Iran now operates modified versions of US-era F-14s, MiG-29s, and Su-24s, and in 2026, they've pushed upgrades even further. Precision strike drones, air-to-air missile development, and cyber warfare integration are transforming their air doctrine. Inside, Iranian pilots train in simulators that echo 5th-gen tactics, while their scientists work in silence, turning limitations into breakthroughs. The Qaher 313 may not rule the skies yet, but its silhouette haunts them. It's not about being the best. It's about being remembered, being defiant, and being ready. Outro, emotional sign-off. So next time you hear the sky rumble over the Middle East, remember, it's not always the loudest jet that matters. Sometimes it's the one built in silence. This is Strike Victor, where power meets purpose. Subscribe and stay locked in for more powerful journeys into the skies. Because these aren't just jets, they're legacies in motion.